ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dyin Barbecue, back in front of the grill again. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be doing something that caters to the sweet tooth. Everybody always needs a good dessert to go with the barbecue, so we're going to be doing a peach bourbon cobbler dump. Super easy, minimal ingredients. Let's get into throwing that thing together. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's make a peach bourbon cobbler dump. Like I said, this is a super easy, minimal prep, minimal ingredients, something you can throw together quick. It's done in about 45 minutes to an hour. Let's get into putting this thing together. First thing I'm gonna do is I got a skillet here. I'm just gonna spray it down with some Tam. Then I've got 2 cans of peaches. They're in heavy syrup. We're just gonna dump those in there. Then I've got 3 tablespoons of bourbon. Pour that off in there. Give it a little mix. Then I've just got yellow cake mix. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna dump that cake mix in here on top. Just want to make sure that you cover it all with that cake mix. Get a pretty even covering on it. Then we're just going to kind of press that down in there. Like so. Then we're going to come back. This is 1 stick of butter. We're just going to take and we're just going to lay this butter on top of here. Kind of something like that. And that's it, folks. It's thrown together. It's ready to go into the smoker. I've already got my copperhead fired up back here. I really like bacon on that smoker. It seems like it does a really good job. We're running at 350 degrees. We're gonna throw this cobbler in there. Like I said, about 45 minutes, and this baby's ready to rock and roll. Let's throw it in the smoker. So we're gonna let that thing go a little bit. We'll probably check back on it here in a minute, give it a rotate, make sure that it's cooking evenly. But that peach cobbler is gonna be done here in a minute. Alright, so we're about 30 minutes in. Go ahead and give this baby a spin. Man, I wish y'all could smell this. We're getting close. Alright, so there it is. Bourbon, peach cobbler dump, cooked out there on the pit boss. Let's kind of go over what we did. Super simple recipe. 2 cans of peaches, pour them in, add in 3 tablespoons of your favorite bourbon, give it a stir, then pour in your dry yellow cake mix, pat it down, lay 1 stick of butter cut up on top of it, run at 350 degrees for about an hour. I'm gonna tell you, the only thing you need now is a couple bowls and some ice cream. If you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page, @Dyin Barbecue. I also got a Facebook page, Dyin Barbecue. We just cooked up a peach bourbon cobbler dump out there on the pit boss. Now go get you some ice cream.